Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make every graduate feel extra special by using the large number frameless dies and the Bookcase Builder stamp set together for infinite customized graduation cards. Welcome! I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. So my graduation card idea is quick and easy to make, which is good because we need to hurry because the large number of framelit size, well, they're on the 2018 Stampin' Up! Retiring list and they could sell out any time. Here's a closer view of the Bookcase Builder stamp set and the large numbers frameless dies that we'll be using today. Both of these are on the 2018 Stampin' Up! Retiring list and will not be in the new catalog starting June 1st, 2018. Retiring stamp sets like Bookcase Builder with these adorable images, and look at that font and really great sayings, are guaranteed to be available to order through May 25th, 2018. Then they'll become available only while supplies last, or May 31st, whichever comes first. Now this is really important. Retiring accessories, including the large number of frameless dies, are immediately available only while supplies last. So the supply could be exhausted anytime, and I'm seeing items have been added to the discontinued list. And I'm thinking for all the people that have the large letters frameless dies for eclipse cards, scrapbooking, and more, if they don't already have the large numbers frameless dies, they're going to want to get them to have the full set. So these really could run out anytime. So how about we go ahead and get started with die cutting to show you the last graduation card idea you'll ever need. I've got my Big Shot die cutting machine and we're ready to die cut our numbers. So now we need to build our sandwich. So I've got the Big Shot platform, and because we're using thin metal dies, I need a thin die adapter. Or you could use the magnetic platform instead of these two. Next, we'll need a cutting pad. There we go. And our cardstock. I've got basic black cardstock, and now our numbers. All right. So I need a 2, a 0, our 1, and an 8. I wanted to show you the 6. It is the 6 and the 9. All right, so you have all of the numbers that you'll ever need. There we go. And then to finish it, we need another cutting pad. We'll just go ahead and crank that through. Oh my goodness, how much do you love the Big Shot? So you don't have to sit there and hand cut all these fancy, fancy numbers. We've got our die cut numbers and now just a little bit of stamping. This is really a quick card. And so we're going to use the Congratulations from the Bookcase Builder stamp set. And this is a photopolymer stamp set. So whenever I use photopolymer, I like to use the Tuxedo Black Memento ink pad. It doesn't stain them. So let's go ahead and get that all inked up. All right, fantastic. And then because it's photopolymer, we can see where we're stamping. Get that right in the center. Let's just press everywhere. It's a long stamp, but it was perfect for my card. Oh, there we go. Looking good, looking good. All right, so my colors, I chose red and black because those are the colors of my high school, and I just love red and black together. And so, but what I love about this card idea is how incredibly easy it will be for you to customize it for your graduate. Obviously, for the year, I mean, infinite amount of numbers. I thought, wow, even if we got into the year 10,000, which I don't think any of us will be here to see, but we're all set. And so you've got the years covered, so you can do their year. And then if you don't know their school colors, everybody's online. You just go to their school and pull it up and you'll be able to find out their school colors. So you'll be able to customize it for everyone. And what I like about this is this card idea is going to work for the guys and gals. All right, so my colors are Real Red and Basic Black. You adjust them for your graduate. I need a stamp right on the front of this, so I'm going to open it up. I like a flat surface for stamping. And now we're going to use the Bookcase Builder dies. Here's the Bookcase. I just think this set is adorable. Just so many possibilities. I knew this would be a lot of fun to play with, and some really good greetings in here. Today's little moments become tomorrow's precious memories. Thank you for being my friend. I didn't know we were making memories. I just thought we were having fun. You gotta love that. Oh my goodness. All right, so anyway, enough talking. Let's come down here. So this is the shelf, and I'm going to keep everything in silhouette. Easy, easy, easy by using black on the red. There we go. We have our shelf, and then we have the books to put on the shelf. Oh, so scholarly. All right. Okay, if I get my head in there, excuse me, because I do need to see where I'm stamping. There we go. One, and then some more books. There we go. And then the globe. I know, this is so seriously easy. It's hard to believe. Okay, and then our globe. Look at that. Isn't that great? All right, so I'm going to close this. You know what? I'm going to wipe on my stamping sleeves because I don't want to mess anything up because I did a good job stamping. So now we're going to attach our congratulations. I've got my snail adhesive. Just some adhesive. There we go. It's a good adhesive. And let's place this. I think that looks good right about there, huh? We won't press down because we want to make sure we're happy with that placement. And I want, oh, there, my numbers to rest right upon there. Okay, so I'm really happy with that placement. So let's press. Fantastic. Some more snail adhesive. And we will have the last graduation card idea you'll ever need, because look how easy you can customize. And so I'll have a link to my blog post with the card with all the measurements. Okay. And so I'm thinking high school graduation. How great. All right. And it does make the graduate feel extra special when they find out that you knew their school colors and of course the year. I think this is something that could easily end up in a scrapbook. Oh, you know what? The multi-purpose adhesive sheets would have been really smart. I was just so excited about this idea that I've been thinking about, and it's getting to be that time. And then when they hit the retiring list, I thought I absolutely have got to show this idea because it's just so simple but special. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, I'm going to recommend the adhesive sheets that you do that. Life will be even easier, and this card will be quicker than what I just showed you, and even it was quick at this. Now that we are happy with our placement, let's press, and there we go. Easy, 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 and attractive, customizable graduation card that you'll be able to make for every one of your graduates, gal and guy alike. If you'd like to make my graduation card for infinite customized cards, all the supplies are listed under the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. But you better hurry because the largest number of frameless dies could sell out anytime. So get on over now to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamp smiles. Thanks for watching.